Some guy collect cars, antiquities, motorcycle, all those stuff. I can't afford it, so I choose to collect sewing machine and work on them because it's very affordable. Nowadays, people rarely sew no more. You can say nobody sew. Very small group of people still doing it. And when it comes to the guy, very little group of men do work with sewing machine. Me, I don't sew. I never liked sewing machine. I think it's a woman thing. But now that I bought one of these 1929 white rotary, and then my collection grow from there. Because in Craigslist you can get some machine you can get as low as $20. People almost throw it away. I buy it and work on it and I sew on it. This one have a beautiful scroll on the surface. They're the only sewing machine that have this on the body. It's a piece of art. The other one, if you come to the sewing machine, the best quality sewing machine is have to be German. And all those singers have some model that considered to be the great machine also. This Adler from the 50s is so robust, strong, precise. You can never break it. That's another white sewing machine that I like it so much I have to buy another one. This one I bought for $10. And Pfaff is a great machine. For some reason German engineers always surpass American engineer, as evident in cars, machinery, and yes, sewing machine. And Adler is a great machine. This one is Elna number 1, or they call Grasshopper. This one from the early 40s, made until the early 50s. But the way it's designed is way ahead of its time. Very modern. Very modern. If it come out in early 40s, that means the guy have to design it in the mid 30s or early 30s. So this very ahead of its time. Beautiful. Anchor. This is from the town of Bielefeld. I don't know how to spell it. In Germany. This city have a bunch of sewing machine manufacturer, like a sewing machine mecca in German. This one also have many features that way surpass Singer in the same period. Sorry my accent. And this one is a Derkop. Now they make a industrial machine considered to be the best industrial sewing machine right now. But this one probably from the late 50s, I would say. Got bunch of features that even today machine don't have it. And I'm kind of restore it right now. This one I found in Craigslist for $30. And it's got the flatbed extension thing here. and it's got all the fine adjustment here, and have this rod that go in here and activate the drop of the feet. Instead of you adjust by hand, you adjust by knees, so make it faster and more efficient for the fast sole. And this one you can connect to the treadle. Oh my goodness, this machine is so versatile. And 362, oh my goodness, this machine can do bunch and bunch of things. I can't remember it all. I have to put the sticker on it. So what this knob mean, you know? Like I said earlier, I'm not a sewing machine by trade. I just like to work on it, so I learn as I go. So I have no knowledge about sewing machine whatsoever, but I learning. This one is a lady Kenmore, made by made by Grisner of Germany for Pfaff. So they have a Pfaff version on this one too, and this one have a decorative stitch built in. So back in the day, it's very expensive. This one probably from like early 60s, yeah, early to mid 60s. And yes, the iconic Singer 301. Yeah, this one considered to be the best Singer ever made, and I'm agreed. It's a lightweight and very efficient, very accurate, and very precise. It's a well engineered machine. If you want to find out more about the machine, go to the website singer301.com. Yeah, this is how you lower the feed dock. You just turn it. Yeah, very interesting. Very portability and just efficient machine. My thumbs up for this machine. And yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy it. And then again, I just novice guy about sewing machine, but I just learn as I go. Thank you.